Good afternoon, Sue Ortiz here. It is approximately 4:40 in the afternoon, March 5th, 2018. We've got a front moving in and some really interesting clouds right over my house. You can really see what the little magnet organite was doing to him. I just have two. Just one and two, and that's it, and one little coil in the middle. And of course, I tried pulling up the Doppler, and I spent about 5 minutes fucking with pulling up the Doppler, and I was ready to throw the tablet. I said, now with the Doppler, it's all bullshit anyway. This is a big old wet blanket. Let's call it a wet blanket. I noticed when the clouds changed a while back. You can see a little bit of the curvature and the striations of the clouds. Remember, I'm still learning how to measure a scalar wave. This is pretty much what I rely on. I look at the clouds, much like when you're smoking a cigarette around one of these organite devices and seeing what the smoke does. Works way better when you have an actual system overhead. And this is what I call a wet blanket. This is how they can wring water out to where it just dumps on you. They can flood you out, and just another way to grab land. Got the wildfires, now they got the floods down pat. So anyway, I'm gonna say these little magnet guys are turbos. It's like adding a turbo to your Chembuster, because it's penetrating through this wet blanket. And I was driving all the way out from Maywood west out to Aurora, and you could even see the sky just looked a little bit lighter over Aurora. It could be how the system's moving in. But in any event, if you can see these striations, right as the rain is starting to fall, it's gonna start with rain and turn to snow. Let's see if we can get this piece of crap to work, because I have my doubts at this point. Alrighty, we have Doppler. Like I said, I tried to pan this up earlier. I'm in Aurora. Aurora. Well, it's always fun to watch the Doppler move in. When the Doppler works. We've all seen these fucked up weather apps. Well, there you go. This is a kind of a field test with the organite with magnets. And again, I can see a circular rhythm, let's say rhythm, to these cloud patterns. I don't know how well it's filming on this camera. Going to the science store tomorrow and cranking out some more of them. Sue Ortiz signing off.